Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to see how to represent a variable over time in Excel. So here you can see that we have the demand of toilet paper in the UK and we have it from 2008 to 2020. And then what I'm going to do is to represent the variation of price over the years and also the volume, the demand, the quantity demanded over the years. So if you select year and price and you go to the interactive menu at the top, click insert, and then you could actually select recommended charts and see the options that it gives you. It may give you directly the correct chart that you want to represent, but that's not always the case. So we are going to go with the line option, select line, and you can see that that's not exactly what you want to see represented here. So I am gonna reselect the data. So for this, you select the graph, right hand click, select data, and now in the horizontal axis, you want the years, and in the vertical axis, you want the price. So you have here price, you just need to select the year, which is the one that you don't want, and remove. And now we are gonna click OK, and now that you've represented the changes in price over the years. Okay, so we can do exactly the same with volume. So we repeat the process of creating the graph. So if you select again these two variables, or actually you could go directly to insert, line, and now it will give you like a blank type of graph. Let me just put it, okay, like a blank graph, okay. Let me just reduce the size of this one so I can fit both of them in the same screen. Okay, so if you right hand click again here and you select the data and then you add an entry and you tell the series name is going to be the volume tons, and then you want in the thus in the vertical axis the quantity, and in the horizontal axis you go again and you select the year. Now this is and now you are going to have the quantity, the variation of quantity over the years. See that here I have the name of the legend and here the title of the graph. Well, if you select a graph, you can see this plus symbol selected, and you can select to give access titles, the graph title, the legend, which in this case is selected, okay, to different editing. Okay, see you in the next video.